Okay, guys, I'm back, moving right along. This is, make sure I'm on the right layer. Oops, I want this one. Yep, that one. This is the one where I'm going to be showing where the side is the front of our cube and the risers are in perspective. So we're going to start kind of the same way as we did the other one. We are going to draw a side. This will be for the back of our stairs. And we're going to draw a baseline for our stairs. Give myself a little more of the back of the stairs. Okay. And now I'm going to get another vanishing point up here, as you guys can see. And I'm going to draw, oops, come here thing. I'm going to draw our vanishing lines right here, back to the vanishing point. And I'm going to go ahead and measure off where each individual stair would be. So just like that. Now, like I said, if you were doing this in an architectural drawing, you would want to make sure that each one of these were carefully, equal distance between each one. Now, I'm going to get our slope line again. That's this line connecting these 2 points. Then I'm going to draw vanishing lines from each one of our individual stair backs back to the vanishing point. Just like this. Now, I'm going to begin to draw each stair side out. And this is going to kind of look like the riser at first, but it's not. Trust me, it's the side just like this. But it's going to come out and connect to the slope line. Okay. And then I can draw vanishing line from the corner of this stair back to the vanishing point, and the corner of this stair back to the vanishing point. And as you guys can see, I am beginning to get, that first riser drawn in. Now, I'm going to go ahead and finish out our square. Let's get that right across there again. We're focusing only on vertical and horizontal lines. This is actually going to give me the back of our stair right here. Now, I could, if I wanted to, make the stair way back here, but just to kind of make it fit into this same square, I'm going to keep it right here. Now, I'm going to draw across to the slope again, another horizontal line, and a vertical line connecting it down, a horizontal line going across, and a vertical line connecting it down. And just like for the first example, I super recommend, getting your stair form kind of drawn in there first before you start trying to get it all into perspective. So here you can clearly see this is the side of a short staircase. Now we can begin putting in more of our perspective lines. So I'm going to let this one go back to the vanishing point. The back of this riser, back of our bottom riser, is going to go back to the vanishing point. And I'm going to draw a line from here over. This is the back of our first stair. We'll draw a line up. That's the back corner of the riser of the second stair. And I'll draw another horizontal line over. There's the top of the tread of our middle stair. Now I need to get this vanishing line coming in. There we go. Now I'm going to draw another vertical line up. Get that a little clearer. And draw a horizontal line over. And now, as you can see, I've got a nice little stoop roughed in with our side facing us as if it were the cube facing us, as if it were the same as the cube right here facing us. And our riser is in perspective. So I'm going to go ahead and rough this in red so you guys should be able to see it really clearly. And since this staircase is completely below the horizon line, as you notice, you can see the tops of all of the individual stairs. You can see the treads of each individual stairs. The top of a stair is called a tread. You guys can see that. Ooh, looks like I actually completely forgot to draw my little vanishing line right there, right through that, all the way up. Let's make that nice and clean. There we go. This is a thing where if you get to the point where you forget to draw a vanishing line, with all the lines going every which way, you can make a mistake and it will compound itself. That's why I'm making it. I'm being careful to get you guys to draw these vanishing lines instead of using that Procreate, the help, the drawing assist, because I want you guys to be able to understand how those perspective lines work. Okay, there you go. Now we have got a little stoop drawn here, and thinking about how our character in the first exercise, their eyes were on this horizon line right here, which is their eye line. They were pretty short compared to these stairs, but since these stairs are sitting below the horizon line, this is actually a taller character right here. Maybe this is a kid coming home from school looking for his puppy who's waiting by the stairs for him. But as you can see, because his eyes are on this horizon line and they are above the stairs, that makes the stairs smaller in comparison. So, whereas in our first exercise, the stairs seemed kind of big and maybe even a little bit overwhelming and scary to the puppy, here the stairs are not threatening at all because they're just normal size stairs compared to our character. Okay, now we're going to move on to our last set of stairs.